Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which of the following is true about pasteurization. Pasteurization will kill bacteria but not spores. It does not kill spores. Kills all bacteria except thermoduric bacteria. True. It kills 95% of organisms. No, it kills 97.99% of bacteria and fungi. But it does not kill the clostridium. Sorry, it does not kill Coxiella burnetii. Is not killed, and even spores are not killed. Okay, it does not kill these. So all bacteria are destroyed is false. So it kills all bacteria except thermoduric bacteria. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.